Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start with a clean canvas. In this video, I will show how to use blooming gel polish step by step. First, ensure your nails are prepped by cleaning, filing, and gently buffing the surface. Next, apply a thin, even layer of base coat, curing it for 30 to 60 seconds under your UV or LED lamp. Then, apply 2 thin coats of your desired color gel polish, curing each layer for 60 seconds. This creates the perfect foundation for your blooming design. Now for the magic. Apply a medium-thick layer of blooming gel polish over your cured color coat. This layer is crucial because it must remain wet and uncured. Do not put your hand under the lamp yet. The wet surface allows the blooming effect to spread beautifully. Work on one nail at a time to maintain control and achieve the best possible design. This ensures your patterns develop perfectly. With your uncured blooming gel in place, it's time to create. Using a dotting tool or a fine detail brush, apply small dots or thin lines of your chosen gel polish colors onto the wet blooming gel. Observe as the colors naturally spread and blend, forming stunning, organic patterns. You can experiment with various colors and shapes to achieve a wide array of unique and artistic designs. Let your creativity flow. After your design has bloomed to perfection, it's time to seal it in. Carefully cure your nail under the UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds to set the design. Next, apply a generous layer of top coat over your finished blooming gel art. This step protects your beautiful creation and adds a high-shine, durable finish. Cure the top coat for another 60 seconds, and you're all set with stunning, long-lasting nails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.